Hello everyone, my name is Anita Sen, your science teacher from Shri Rama Bharti Public School. Today I will explain few topics from light. So let's start. Now today we will see the ray diagrams of image formed by convex and concave lens. So we can draw a ray diagram to represent the image formation by lenses. We can consider any two light rays out of the following three light rays. Like a ray of light parallel to the principal axis emerges out through the principal focus. Second, we can take a ray of light passing through the optical center, which goes undeviated, and a ray of light passing through the principal focus of the lens after refraction goes parallel to the principal axis. So the ray diagrams of the image formed by concave and convex lenses, now you can see it is given here, and the symbols which we used here, like the AB. Now you can see here this AB, this is used for the object. Then A dash, B dash, as you can see in the figure, it is for image. F is for the focus, principal focus, and O is for the optical center. So this is which we use, the symbols we use for the ray diagram. Now we can see there are different, like a real image of the same size. Now the image is always formed on where the object is placed. Like here you can see a real image of the same size as the object is formed by a convex lens when the object is placed at second focus. You can see here. Now the real image of the same size of an object is what? It is when the object is placed at the second focus. Now in the second, you can see a virtual and magnified image is formed on the same side. As you can see, this is the object and this is the image, right? This is the object and this is the image. So a virtual and magnified image, you can see it is bigger than the object. So it is formed on the same side as the object by convex lens when the object is placed in between the focus and the optical center. Then the next you can see a virtual, erect and diminished. Now you can see this is the object. AB is the object and A dash B dash is what? It is an image. Now you can see here it is a virtual, it is erect and it is a diminished, means smaller than object. So it is a virtual, erect and diminished image is formed. When it is formed by a concave lens, when the object is placed at any position in front of the lens, any position in front of the lens. So that is how the different images are formed by concave and convex lenses. That depends on where the object is present. Now we will discuss the dispersion of light. The process of splitting of white light into its constituent colors is called dispersion of light. As we know, white light is a combination of 7 colors. So what are that 7 colors? It is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. And in the short form, we always use Vibgyo. When white light passes through a prism, as you can see in the diagram, it always separated into 7 colors. It is dispersed into 7 colors and which forms a spectrum. So what is spectrum? The set of colors formed on splitting of white light is called the spectrum of light, or we can say the band of colors obtained on screen due to the splitting of white light is spectrum. Now we will see that when the white light, just now we see when the white light is passes through a prism, it always disperses into a spectrum of 7 colors. But when these 7 colors again passes through another prism, now as you can see in the figure, through another prism, then it recombine. Then it combine. Again these colors mixes and they form white color. So a prism can split white light into 7 colors, or it can recombine these 7 colors to white light. So the first prism is dispersing prism because it disperses the white light in 7 colors, and the second prism is known as recombination prism, as you can see in the figure. In their first prism is known as dispersing prism because it is dispersing the white light into 7 colors. But the second one is known as recombination prism because here the 7 colors again they form white light when passes through the second prism. So first one is dispersing prism and second one is recombination prism. I hope you understand each and every topic properly. So it's time to say goodbye. Bye everyone.